Hey guys, it's Erika. We're gonna be checking out Nature's 내가 좀 예뻐. I'm so pretty. If you know it, aside to tell the world then, right? But I'm really excited for this. Really like nature. The concepts are really cool, so I'm really excited to be checking out this one right here. I don't know not what to expect, but I am excited either way. So you know what? Let go. I like the colors already. Okay. See what they're doing. I'm feeling it. It's cute. I love this. It sounds like it's not like a sound that a lot of groups do anymore. It's cute. Good feeling. My back needs to pop. Oh god. Choreography is great too. It's cute. Like they don't do like this a lot. It cleanses my palate of all the other stuff I react to, and I get cute stuff like this. I love it. I love all the pink. Oh, they're foxes? It fits the concept, the fox. Cinderella? Swans? That was cool, the choreography. I really like this set, this like nighttime with those in the at the beach jungle thingy. It's cool. I like it. I'm gonna see. I see a lot of like in terms of the music video, there's a lot of like things like twice. Like with like this like beach scene that they have, Dance the Night Away, and with that like staircase with all the pink lighting, What is Love? I was just noticing that a little bit. Yeah. Well, it was really cute. I really liked it. And like I said, like this definitely like cleanses the palette from like all the other stuff that I react to because nobody's really doing this sort of sound or like concepts really like this anymore. There are a good number of groups that do it. They don't make comebacks as frequently. So it just there's always a little bit of space between it, and I really liked it. I thought it was fun. It was super cute. I really loved all the colors in it. It was a really cool concept, and then it was really executed really nicely. They were killing that choreography though. I need me a dance practice or something like that to check it out more of that because that was probably like my favorite part that I saw and stuff was just like I was seeing them do the choreography. I'm like, oh okay, kill it queens. So yes, I really enjoyed it. It was really good. It was really nice to cleanse my palate. So yes, go and appear your thoughts in the comments down below what you thought about nature's I'm So Pretty. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and you want to see more of my videos, go and hit that subscribe button if you want to see my videos the second they come out. Hit that notification button if you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Tumblr, Facebook page, all in the description down below. Or at the end screen, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.